Hey guys, when you open your Pixel Lab, this is what you will see. This is what you will find. So, I want to start. I want to create a logo. It's a simple logo, and I'm creating this logo from the scratch. Note, you can also create your own logo. You can also create it using an already made template. The next video I'll be sending to you guys, you will see how that one also is. But this one I want to create from the scratch. So you go to your middle icon. It's all about shapes. It's the use of shapes. You click on shapes. I want to use circle. I'll click on my circle. I will scroll down. I want to use blue. I'll use blue. Then I will reduce it. Logos are normally small, they are not big. So I'll reduce mine. Okay. I'll come back to shapes again. Remember, it's all about shapes. I'll pick this star here. The star is very big, that's why it's covering everything. I want the star to be white, so I won't touch the color. I'll just reduce it and I will place it right here. Next thing, I will still go back to my shape. Go back to my shape. This time around, I'm going to pick circle. The circle, the color will be yellow, and I will reduce it to the tiniest size. I'll reduce it. I'll reduce it, then move it here. Then I'll still reduce it again. I'll still reduce it again, reduce it again. Then I won't be able to move it now because if I move it now, it will just become big and it was doing everything. So I'll come to my position and I'll move it down, down, out a bit. Okay, I'll copy this. I'll still go back to my shape. I'll go back to circle, color, use yellow, reduce it to the tiniest space. Then okay, always move it before you reduce it because if you reduce it before moving it, well, see how this thing is frustrating me now. How is that is going to do to you? So always move it before you reduce it because moving tiny objects are difficult. So that is just a fact. Moving tiny objects are difficult. You have to go to your position to move. So like what I'm doing, and I will still reduce the size. I'm moving it. Take it slightly up, still reduce the size. It has to be very tiny. Then take it down. Yeah. Okay. This one too has to be reduced. Let me just go to size so I can reduce it because using my hand to move it, it's not working because it's very small. So you look for size. So okay, so this is it. It's in 3 now. Then I'll come to my position. I'll take it down. Okay, I'll go back to my shapes again. I'll pick circle, color yellow, reduce it slightly, then move it so that because if you don't move it now, when you reduce it completely, it will be more difficult for you. Next, I'll go to relative position where I did before. Sorry, I'll go to relative size rather. I will just reduce. I want to reduce it to 3. Then I'll go to position so I can move it. I'll come and go here. So this thing I'm teaching now is this thing you can use it to move tiniest objects. It's just how to move tiniest because if you say you want to use your hand to start moving them, you won't be able to do it. You end up ruining your work. In fact, you end up ruining your work. So position. I'm still moving it. Let me move this one as well. Still moving it. So next, I go to my shape again. Just the same procedure. Because I want to give it a there is this look I want to give it. So that is why I'm doing all this thing. I don't know if you get me. Reduce it but not completely. Place it here. Go to this relative size. minus it to 3. 3 is the standard size we have been using, take note. Then go to position again, bring it down a bit, take it to your right, then take it up. You see it has positioned well. Go to shapes again, big circle, color, use yellow, reduce it but not completely, place it here. Go to relative size, reduce it to 3. Come to your position. You go to your position, take it down and out a bit. So this is all. This is, like I said before, it's a very simple flyer. You can even decide to go extreme, but that's not what I'm doing. I'm doing a simple flyer. You can decide to go extreme, good for you. Then I want to write something. It's part of the logo. Then I will come here and write stars collection. That's what I want to write. Stars collection. I will just bring it here, reduce it a bit. Then okay, I won't reduce it that much because I will take it to a site where I can mock it up. And for that, now take note of something. For every mock-up you are doing, if you are designing the play one knowing that you will go and mock it up, please make sure everything is big. Because when you take it to where you mock up now, when you realize that when you are done, the mock up will not be so bold. It won't be bold, and it has to be very bold for it to be a mock up, for it to be a complete mock up. So let me finish editing everything, then you will see what I will do. I'll make it very big so that once I'm going to mock it up, it will be very big as well. So I want to edit my stars collection. Let me go to color. I'll be using blue too. Then I'll go to my fonts. I'll pick a very bold font. Let me use this Abby Face Regular. Okay, I'm sure this is big enough. So I'll make it, like I said, you have to make it big since it's going for mock-up. If it was a normal logo, I would have reduced it. But since I'm taking it for mock-up, I'm increasing it. I don't know if I'll get a better font. Let me check though. I want to look for a very fine font for this thing. Okay, this is better. Now, I want to merge this star, the circle, and the big circle, like the main thing I drew first. I want to merge, I want to join all of them, so I'll be able to move all of them at a time. I don't know if you hear what I'm saying. I want to be able to move all of them at a time. So what do? We come to this icon at the up, that icon beneath the 3 dots at the up, click on it. Click on this circle down, look down, you see circle. There is a good mark and a bad mark on the circle. I hope you've seen it. You click on it. Then you click on, look very well now, you see delete option, you see copy option. Then the next option, you click on it. Okay, sorry, you select what you want to merge for. You select. So I'll select all these circle, star circle. Then you click on that option after the delete, after the copy. Then the next option, you click on it. Then you see they are saying, are you sure you want to merge a selected object? You click on OK. Now take a look at what is going to happen. Are you seeing? I'm able to move all of them, but note I did not do all of them like this, but I've merged it. So that is how you merge objects. Hope you get. You can ask me questions after the class too. So that is how you merge objects. Now I want to make it big. Are you seeing? That was why I merged it. So I'll be able to move all of them and increase the size for all of them. So this is our logo. We are done. The next video I will send to you is how to mock it up. So to save our work, click on this icon at the up, either to save as project or to save as image. If you save as project, you're able to come back anytime, any day to work on it. But if you save as image, it will go to your gallery automatically. You won't be able to come back to work on it. And also to access your project, you click on this icon here. This is it. You click on my projects, there you get it. Let me save it as image because I want to convert it to mockup. Okay. Okay. I want to be downloading this. Something I didn't explain to you guys. Okay, look at JPG means if I download it with this JPG format, this image format, it will go the way I just arrange everything. There will be background. But if I come to this PNG, there will be no background. Now note, for every mockup you want to do, you don't use your image with a background to do mockup. You always remove the background to do your mockup. Take note. So since PNG is without background and I want to do a mockup, I'll be using PNG file instead of JPG for only mockups. PNG files goes well for only mockup. Please take note. You can ask me questions if you don't understand what I'm saying. So I'll be picking PNG. Then I'll click save to gallery. Save to gallery. Now automatically my stars collection has saved my gallery. So that is all for this one.